Okay, let me get my tools. Let me get my tools of my trade. Where'd my tools go? Okay, it's back here. This is how it gets done, Kenny. This is where we do it. All right, I'm looking for them. I gotta find the mines. Now, Roxy leaves me little presents out here every morning, and I gotta get them cleaned up because we live in a classy place, Kenny. Oh, there's another little mine right there. Go ahead and get that right there. They said, Indiana's a great place. Now when I moved out here, it was nice and warm. It was beautiful, and now it's freezing cold. Take a look at our new sign. We have another sign that we were gonna put up there. We just haven't actually been able to put it up there because it's been too cold and raining. Now, Kenny, I got more work to do. I can't just be lounging around making video when there's poo. I gotta clean up the poo. That's what I do, the poo man. I know there's treasures. I don't want you walking into a treasure, Kenny. Where you got one? You got one right here? You got treasure? Let me go ahead and get that one right there. That's a nice one. All I see on the YouTubes is where people are like, become your own boss, work 4 hours a week, hire somebody to do the job, and you just sit on a beach. I apparently am really bad at doing my job because here I am in the winter in Indiana, getting fat, eating home cooking, takeout food, nothing healthy anywhere in this entire state that I have found. And so I'm just failing at this, but I gotta find somebody to sit in here, do this job so that I can go sit on the beach and have somebody else clean up my poo, okay? Let me put this back over here. See, when I put it back here, you can't see that that's pooing, okay? That's the poo stuff. Oh, Kenny, take a look around what I got over here too. This is a 170 extended. It has an old, antiquated, ancient control center in here to control the lights and the switches and everything. And we're gonna go ahead and put the Helix system and take it from old and antiquated to, what's the word I'm looking for? Dope, amazing. It's gonna be state of the art. Everything's gonna be Bluetooth. You can do it from your phone, from anywhere around in the world. We're gonna take it from boring, old, devastated garbage into the best control system the world has ever seen. Now let's go inside. Front doors on the Helix, Kenny. Show them our new stickers on the door. Innovations, awnings, controls, and cooling. We started there. We worked our way up to there. Once I come inside, I take off my poo boots, okay? And I put on my Hey Dudes. When the Hey Dudes are on, you know it's official email time. I want you to roll what this place used to look like. Okay? We've spent at least 6 months redoing this building and it's getting there. It's not 100%. We don't have furniture. We don't have pictures up on the wall, but we're getting close. Let's do a little walk and talk. Let's walk right through the whole thing. If you look back here, if you look in the back, Kenny, you're gonna see people hard at work because everybody had to come in right before the holidays to learn how to use the brand new CRM so we can give the best customer service in the industry. I gotta be honest with you, I don't know how it works yet, so I'm hoping somebody teaches me. Let's keep walking. This room in here has all of our parts and pieces for builds that we keep extra, tons of extra electronics. All of these rooms will eventually be all engineers. We're keeping all of our electrical wire back in here. It's like these are perfectly built to keep the segways right here. These are pictures that shouldn't be here. One day we'll have really nice pictures in here to get you motivated. Keep coming on down. This is my brain trust room. This is where me and the electrical engineer hang out and do all of our research and development on the new Helix system. It's messy, so I'm just gonna turn the light on and I'm gonna turn it off. Turn it on, turn it off, okay? Don't even look in there. We've got Segway number 2. You're gonna see we have the bike, brand new monitor because I broke the other one. So brand new one right here. We've got a Vespa. Of the last 6 months, we've been spending a lot of time redoing a lot of the electrical. All these panels here are planned to get completely redone next year as well. We're gonna have them set up on the Helix system so that we can flip off our 110 breakers from our phone anywhere in the world. We have the brand new air tank with the new air tank system all the way through 3/4 inch piping. We just put in the new, what is this, filter system for the water. We're on a well. So we have a filter system here, then we have other filter systems right before people drink the water so that it's super clean. Obviously behind me, you see the new environmental chamber. We're actually running a test today on the new program. And what we're testing today is the X3 12 volt. We're testing the new high humidity function, and we're testing the difference between the power consumption at 70 degrees and the power consumption at 100 degrees in the cycling to make sure that at 70 degrees, low fan, high cooling, we don't freeze the compressor or the evaporator. That's the whole goal. So we're doing that testing. We have an engineer actually in there right now performing some of the tests. You may be able to see that in there, you may not be able to see there. Eventually we'll get a camera in there full time on a monitor out here so that we can monitor what's going on without having to peek through. More to come on that. All of this behind here will get set up as the new command center for this environmental chamber. We have to give all the information. You can recreate the test, you can look at our data, you can see at what temperature, at what amperage, how everything was done so that you can duplicate the test yourself and know that our numbers, the numbers that we're giving, are correct. That's the goal here, so that we get the correct information to you, the consumer out there, so you can make the best decision for you and your overland rig. We have the, what I like to call the test vehicle, the 144 is pulled in here. We're pulling out the Vortex system right now. We're going to be installing it in the environmental chamber. And I think tomorrow, Kenny and I are going to do an install video of the new A2 awning on this rig. So I'm pretty excited about that. All of these ACs are getting ready to go for shipping. These have all been tested. Every unit that goes out the door gets tested to make sure that it uses the right amount of electricity based on a certain temperature. The reason I brought you over here is to look at the old green machine. The green machine is going to be getting a huge upgrade. We have to rip out everything in the cab, put some sound deadening. We need to redo a lot of the electrical system for the vehicle itself. These bigger vehicles, there's just a lot of work that you need to do in the wintertime or the springtime to get it ready for the season. Now, I know everybody can see the F750, the largest 750 that I've ever seen, right behind me. We still need to build it out. This has been a 3-year project that we just haven't got around to doing. So hopefully sometime this winter, maybe in the springtime, we'll start working on this guy. There's just only so much time that we have available, and we're bringing so many new products, awnings, new air conditioners, new electrical equipment, the Helix system, DC to DC chargers. All of that has to get engineered, it all has to get packaged, it all has to get priced out, it all has to get put in the system. We have to know that when we send it from us to you, that you're getting the best product possible. And sometimes there's just not enough time to build a big F750. Hey guys, thanks a lot for taking the tour of our brand new 30,000 square foot warehouse here in Elkhart, Indiana. Hope you follow along. We'll be doing these videos every few months to show you the progress that's going on. And we hope that if you go in comfort, further with Nomadic Innovations. I got that completely backwards, Kenny. Could be because I'm a bit dyslexic. You want to try it one more time? If you want to go further in comfort, go further with Nomadic Innovations. Bye.